Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on Pionex. So the first thing that you need to do is create your account, and then after that we click on futures and then we do demo trades. Then when you do this for the first time, you will see here a green button that is saying claim PUSD. Make sure that you click on that. We already did that, so now we have 500k on our account standing right there. So the first thing that we want to do is select the one that we want to trade with. So let's say we want to trade with Bitcoin, and now it's PUSD because we are a demo account right now, and normally it's USD. But from now what we want to do is we want to select market, and then we want to select here the order value. You can do this for PUSD, or you can select Bitcoin right here, what you want, but I prefer the order value. Now the order value right now is 10k. Then after this we can select right here a take profit price or a stop loss. So you can fill in right here when the profit is around 1k, then he needs to take the profit. Or if it's decreasing to let's say 9k, so when we lost 1k, I want to stop our losses, so then he will stop the losses by closing our position. Then right now we can decide if we want to do a buy, a long, or a sell short. And let's say we want to do a buy long, then we click on that, then we do OK. And now right here in the bottom, we just created our position. So this is how you can demo trade on Pionex. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.